friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Batman, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing in the shape of the head. So we're going to start on the top for the center of the head, drawing in a nice big arch line. We're going to draw in the ears now. So for that pointy ear, we're going to draw a slight diagonal line coming out on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, just ending that at the same height on the top. Now from here on the left, we're going to round this out. So we're going to curve this around. And we're just going to pull this down to the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, trying our best to end that roughly at the same height. Now from here, we can kind of arch this in for the cheek. So starting back on this line, we're going to blend that in as best as possible, curving this around. We're going to flatten the chin out, pulling that into the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side now, curving this around, tucking that over and in, blending that together. Now on the left-hand side, curving this over and through to this middle. And then starting back on that line, blending it together again, curving this around, tucking that back in. Now from here, for the mouth right in the center, drawing in a nice big arch line for that smile. And then we'll move up and do something similar for the nose, just making this one smaller. Now let's come up in a diagonal and draw in the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. For the highlight, coming up on the top left-hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down on a diagonal now for our second highlight. We're going to make the second one slightly smaller. Now on the inside, let's color in our eye black. Now let's add in a small detailed line above, just curving that across on both sides. Now for the cape, we're going to come down from the center and we're going to curve this line out and over on the left. And then we're going to replicate that on the right, curve this around and through, ending that at the same height. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up on either side. And then from that point, we're just going to round this back out, curving that into the chin. Now for the body on the left-hand side, let's curve this line down. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here on the left, we're going to step down, curving this around and through. On the inside, leaving a gap, curving this out on the left and right-hand side for the inside of the leg, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out, tucking that back in, connecting that to that line on the top. Now from here, we're going to curve this up to the top. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back down on a diagonal to the inside. Let's close off the arm. So stepping up just slightly from this line, curving this around and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's close off the gloves. We're going to curve this down and in towards the torso. We're going to add in the spikes here. So we're going to curve this line out and pulling that back in. And then we'll step up again from that point, curving this out, tucking that through again. Now on the top in the center for the symbol, we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval. Let's draw in the bat, so we're going to draw in a curved line. From that point, we're going to arch this down and around to the top on either side. Now from here, we're going to curve this back around and in for the wing. Now let's arch this up and bringing that back down. From that point, let's bring this up and then back in towards the middle. Now let's come down for the belt. We're going to draw in a circle. And then right in the middle again, drawing in another circle. Let's step out. We're going to draw in a straight line coming out on either side, stepping down, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line. We're going to curve this out on the top, tucking that down, and then we'll curve that up and across again to the side of the body. Let's move underneath, curving that out once more, ending that at the same width there. And then again, just curving this over and through. Now let's close that off with a straight line from point to point. And then in each little space here, we're just going to draw in a curved line. Now let's come down for the cape. We're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines in the middle. Coming across, we're going to curve that out. From that point, curving this across again to the outside. And then once more, curving this up and over. And that is it. That's how you draw Batman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.